Transform your dishes from bland and boring to punchy and flavorsome with this definitive guide to spices. It's time to spice up your home cooking. Taking the periodic table of spices as a starting point, this adventurous recipe book explores the science behind the art of making incredible spice blends to help you release the flavor in your dishes. Discover a spice book like no other from TV personality, food scientist and best-selling author, Dr. Stuart Farrimond. Great cooking goes beyond following a recipe. It's knowing how to use the right combination of spices and herbs to get the greatest possible flavor from your dishes. From learning how the flavor compounds within spices work together to exploring the world's top spices, this is the perfect cookbook for curious cooks and adventurous foodies. Whether you're a fan of spice seeking to experiment with new flavor combinations, or simply a beginner-level home cook looking to advance your knowledge on all things spice-related, this is a must-have volume, also doubling up as a great coffee table book for the whole family to love. Find the link below and buy the book now.